In this video, we will show what to do when the app is not reacting properly or not reacting as you would expect. Always make sure that the tablet is being charged to keep the tablet active. If the tablet does not show anything on its screen, then it doesn't have power. Ensure that the socket and charger are working properly. If the central patient overview doesn't open and you see a connection problem screen, check the tablet's Wi-Fi connection and ensure the tablet is within the Wi-Fi range. You can restart the app by clicking on the Restart button. When the app shows unexpected behavior, you can also restart the app to check if this solved the issue. You do this by pressing the settings icon and then clicking Restart App. When the app has no information from a monitor, the monitor will show up like this. When there seemed to be a patient admitted to that monitor, you will see a technical warning like this. When you see this, but the patient has been removed, start the monitor and discharge the patient before turning the monitor off again. When you see that there is no connection with a monitor, but the monitor is on, then you have to check the monitor. On the top right, there should be an icon indicating connection. When there is a red cross visible, then the monitor is not connected to the Wi-Fi. Check if the Wi-Fi repeater is properly plugged in. You can also try to restart the monitor. When there is connection again, it should show up again in the app. If you can't solve the issue, please contact the champion or maintenance team of the hospital. They can do more extensive troubleshooting. Issues can also be reported to us, so that we can help resolve it.